Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on EarnersPay and get access to the Newbies affiliate guide. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get the details on how you can sign up on this affiliate platform and also have access to the Newbies affiliate guide. So before you can sign up on this platform, you need to get access to a link from someone that is into affiliate marketing on this platform. So I've copied the link. You don't have to copy the link when someone send it to you, or maybe you see the link at the description below in the video. You can just tap on the link. It's going to direct you to the form, and then you fill it and then sign up. So I've copied it. I'm going to paste it right now, so you can see there and tap on it. So I'm going to allow it to load. So this is the sales page, so you need to slide. Can you see someone earned 2 million, over 2 million made with smartphone? You can see, you can just go through it and read. Then you come to this place, you can just slide down. Okay, see, you can type order now, tap on the order now. So when you tap on it, okay, so important notice, check your email spelling. Your product access link will be sent to the email you provide correctly. Use your legal name. If purchase an affiliate course, use your legal name matches your bank account. So what this message is talking about is that whenever you want to sign up on this platform, make sure your email is correct. That is number one, because they're going to send you a message that you have registered, and also they will send you details of how you can sign in into your affiliate dashboard. And also before you sign up on this platform, make sure your name is correct. Make sure the name you are using for this affiliate platform is the same thing with the one you are using on your bank account, so that whenever you withdraw on this platform, you are not going to have issues. So make sure you check the name on your bank account, your online bank account, or your local bank account, any bank you want to use. Make sure it's the same with the one you're going to use. So I have an account. I'm just going to use my own name. I'm going to change the email. I'm just showing you how to sign up. Let me just change this because I've used this email. I'm going to change it to 70. Then slide, I'll select Nigeria. So you can select, let me just show you, there's different countries. You can select any country. So Nigeria, I've select Nigeria. Select currency, I'm going to select Nigeria. Let me just show you different currencies. But Burkina Faso, West African, you can just go through it. So that is for that. So I'm going to tap on Nigeria. I'm paying with Naira. Then I'm going to tap on proceed payment. So now confirm your order details. The Nubian affiliate guide AAG. You can see my name, my everything, and my country, payment currency Nigeria, and amount pay 8,000. So you are making use of 8,000 to get access to lifetime opportunity. You learn different IP data skills, and also have access to an affiliate platform where you learn how to sell people product and earn money. So now they'll say, okay, tap yes, it is correct. You tap on yes, it is a order confirmed. So you need to allow it to load. So now you can pay with other debit card, you can pay with bank transfer, you can pay with bank. So anyhow you want to pay, you can pay, but I'm going to show you how to pay with your bank transfer. I prefer paying with bank transfer. So if you want to use a debit card, no problem. So pay with bank transfer, then you select it. I understand instruction. Okay, so transfer only the exact amount, do not transfer an incorrect amount. So if you want to send money, please and please don't send more than this 8,000 you're seeing on the screen. You don't need to send an extra money. Just pay the exact money you see on this place, 8,000, and then you tap on continue. So can you see the bank account? Please, if you are watching this video, don't screenshot this account. Don't screenshot it, because it has different accounts it's going to give you. So whenever you want to sign up, just sign up any account you see, that reflects, just send the money there, and then you receive an email. Please don't screenshot this account. Don't go and send the money instantly. You can see. So do not save or use the account number. Can you see what they do? So then you send the money to this account. So make 59 minutes 26 seconds. So you send the money to this account, and when the money gets to them, you receive an email to sign in and get access to the new Being Affiliate Marketing affiliate guide and also your affiliate platform. That is how to sign up. So make sure you watch the other video where I talk everything about EarnersPay, how to get access to promote your product and earn money, how to withdraw. I talk about that in the video. And also make sure you share and like this video. Thank you for watching and God bless you. So this is the right time for you to make use of this opportunity to earn money as a student, undergraduate, full housewife, or a 9 to 5 worker that need a stream of income. This is the right time. And also if you want to learn an IST, this is the right time to get access to this course, register. And also if you want to register, I'm going to drop the link in the description below or the first comment section. Just click on the link, the first link you see, click on the link and then get access to the new Being Affiliate Marketing Guide. And if you have learned one or two things from this course or from this video, make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If this is your first time of seeing my video, make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting different video. I'll be reviewing different courses you can get and have access. I'll do reviewing different coaches, best coaches I know, and you can have access to that course and learn a lot and also earn money with your smartphone. So thank you for watching and God bless you.